Hello everyone, welcome back. Vivan rushing and coming and on time, Vivan. Shankar, Arav, welcome. Viona, welcome. Yes, you want to say something? Yes, Viona. Whenever I told you, no, whenever you have to say something, write a doubt in the chat or raise your hand in the reactions. Anyway, say. Lucky that I saw you.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I didn't go as for break. I was here only.
Oh my God, waiting.
Yes.
Nice. Very good. Okay.
I was writing something.
Good.
I was writing that alphabet table you said in that first session.
Oh, that's great, Fiona. Okay, very good. Keep practicing like that. The more you practice, the faster you will do the questions. Good, Fiona. Thank you. Okay, Shiven, you were saying something?
I just want to show you a painting.
You have it just next to you?
Yes.
In your hand? Okay, show. Life is beautiful. It's just shining. Bring it close. Yeah, beautiful. Yes, it's so beautiful. You have written it in such a nice, creative way, Shiven, in the middle. Very nice.
Yeah, I just saw it from YouTube. I just keep watching that kind of thing.
Good. You need to keep learning things like that. Okay. Now, guys, listen, very important thing. See, actually, we were supposed to discuss the questions today because today is a test discussion session. But because we managed to finish the class early, that means the discussion early, we are now moving on to a new chapter. Okay, but we will not finish the chapter. I repeat, we will not finish the chapter. We'll only go through the things till where we are comfortable. And then we will move to the other day, that is the next class, Sunday. And then we will finish the direction sense test. Okay? Fine? All right. Say Ayush.
Ma'am, I have the printout, ma'am, even of the direction chapter, ma'am.
Nice. Very good. So once this chapter is over, you can try some questions from there.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, so I did even the test in the printout only, ma'am.
Oh, good, Ayush. Okay, thank you. Now, guys, what are we going to learn in direction sense test? Some basic steps first. Say, Meera.
मैम आई हैव मेरे पास अभी भी वो थर्ड के प्रिंट्स पड़े हैं एक्सरसाइज के.
Then great. You have kept it for so long. Very nice. All right. So fine. Thank you, Meera. So over here, guys, we are going to just discuss something important right now. I need to know if you guys know or not, what are the 4 major directions you know? In the chat, please. What are the 4 major directions you know? North. Okay, Arav. N. East. Okay, Arav. West. Okay, that doesn't goes in the sequence. South. West. Very good. So Arav, Shankar, Gianna, Mocha answered. All right, Shiven answered. Very nice. So you guys know that. Swarnim very quickly answered long back. I saw your message now. Shiven, very good. Kirtana, Ayush, perfect. So you guys are aware of the 4 major directions, right? 4 major directions. Okay, so Swarnim, I'll tell you something. In some books or in some places, it's mentioned that you can remember it as news, but I will not refer you remembering this as news. Okay, I'll tell you why. Now, before that, no answering. Okay, Vivan, are you raising hand for answering anything? I'm not listening that.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. I'm not able to send anything in the chat box. It's saying that Olympiad Success is not in the meeting.
1 second, Arav. Let me just send you to the waiting room
and
bring you back.
Vivan.
Okay, yeah, Vivan. Yes, Vivan. Just a second. Okay, so here we have Vivan back. Vivan, try please sending a hi or something in the chat right now. And guys, this is the 4 general directions you know. Now, you know what? If a person is standing here, what do we say? Where is the person standing? I can get your messages, Vivan, now. Any direction between north and east is called as northeast. Any direction between south and east, no matter the person is here, no matter the person is here also, any direction between south and east is called as southeast. Anything between west and south is called as southwest. And anything between north and west is called as northwest. So that makes it a total of 4 plus 4, 8 directions. 4 plus 4, 8 directions. Say, Sanchi.
Teacher, I also cannot send.
Okay, Sanchi. Sending you in the waiting room. One second. Yes, Aditya, right. So that means now you guys can remember these 4 things. Okay, like first thing, the 4 important directions, cardinal directions, then the 4 sub-cardinal directions. Now, watch out. What is clockwise direction? Clockwise direction is the red one and anti-clockwise direction is the blue one. Anti-clockwise, clockwise. Now, in case you, yes, Sanchi, I can see your message. In case you do not remember which is clockwise, which is anti-clockwise, remember it in this way, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When the value of the clock increases, it's clockwise. 12, 11, 10, 9. When the value decreases, it's anti-clockwise. Say, Meera, what happened?
Mom, send with me. I can't send you anything.
Okay. So, till here it's clear? Now, if I move, okay, Viona, very good. All the directions are right. Now see, north, east, south, west. So if I move in a clockwise direction, I will call it as now north, east, south, west. So the ones who love sandwich can remember it as now eat sandwich. Now eat sandwich. And those who do not like sandwich can remember it as never eat sandwich. That will help you to remember it in a clockwise order. Yes, Vivan. It will help you to remember it in a clockwise order. And the problem with news is that you directly jump from east to west and then back to south. So that's why it's better to remember in a clockwise manner. Okay. Now I have some easy peasy questions for you. Real time easy. First, you do those easy questions and then I'll tell you something interesting. Okay. So let's have an easy question right on your screen. Look at the picture and answer the following question. Which object is present above the bed? Okay, for the ones who joined me new today, Gian and Viona, all these questions will be there in the reading material. So please do not take screenshots or copy down these questions and waste your time. Just use your notebook in case ma'am asks you to note down something, or in case you have to solve something in your notebook. Okay, otherwise do not copy the questions. You will find all of this in the reading material. Oh, I got answers from Ayush, Meera and Shivain. Above the bed is the pillow and the blanket, but that is not in the options. Something else is also in the options, which is correct answer. Sanchi, Swarnim, correct. Arav, don't repeat the answers, just write it once. This is the drawer. This is the drawer. So drawer is next to the bed, not above the bed. You have to find out what is above the bed. The answer is option D, that's scenery. Vivan, I understand you're none of these. You are saying that, ma'am, answer should be pillow or something. That's why none of these. But no, Vivan. If any one of the things satisfies my answer, then that will be my answer first. Scenery is also above the bed, no? So that's why scenery will go as the answer. In case they would not have given you scenery, then the answer would have been none of these. So that was a slight trick in this question. Otherwise, this question is very easy. Same drawing, another question. Same drawing, another question. Now, this is a little English-based question, okay? Very nice. All correct answers. Vivan, Shivin, Jian, okay. Meera, Shankar, Amoka, Swarnim, Kirtana. Very good. Leelakant, really, do you think it's none of these? Dhruv, Sanchi, correct. Arav, correct. Aditya, correct. Nice. Arav, no one will repeat an answer maximum once, more than once, okay? You have to just write it once and relax. I'll read it when I will see through it, okay? Aditya is right. All right, so the confusion is between the drawer and between the table. So the table is something where you can even sit and do some work, which can have drawers, but only drawer means this, where you cannot sit and do something. So that is called as drawers, and drawers is not my answer. My answer is table. Leelakant, that's table. Vyona, correct, table. So the answer is table. All right, that was easy. Ayush wants to say something. Say, Ayush.
Ma'am, that time I couldn't see it, ma'am. It was stuck there only.
Oh, okay, no problem.
Now I
Okay.
can see, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Thank you. Now, guys, I have to tell you something. Before we actually go to the third easy question, I want to tell you something about direction sense questions and in a total. Okay, I'll not take this up in today's class, the detail of left, right, and things like that. But I'll just tell you minutely about something. In an exam, whether you give an online exam or you give an offline exam in paper, always remember one thing, that when someone is saying, let's say that Ayush is moving towards the north. If they are saying that Ayush is going towards the north, I have to assume that I am talking about my screen or my piece of paper. So north will always mean your screen or your piece of paper which you have in front of you. No matter wherever is the geographical north on the compass, you have to always assume that north means towards the screen. As you can see in my hand right now, my hand is coming closer to the camera towards the screen. So that is north. And what will be opposite to north? Back. Opposite to north is south. Perfect, Swarnim. Very good. It will be south. Similarly, my right hand. Now, I don't know if my image is mirrored or not. In this video is mirrored. But look, I'm wearing this finger ring in my right hand. Okay. So my right hand will always denote the east, and my left hand, see these bands are on the left hand. So my left hand will always denote the opposite of east, that is west. So remember it like this. Okay, I'm just making a drawing. That's the last thing we are doing today, guys. Imagine this is your screen, which is north. Imagine this is your right hand, which is east. Imagine this is your left hand, which is west. And this is the back of, like back. Okay, just remember, back of your screen. So the screen will always be your north. The right will always be your east. The back will always be your south. And your left hand will be towards the west. Just remember it like this and you will be able to do all the questions. And I'm serious, all the questions of direction sense test. What you just need to do is take a screenshot of this or note it down, guys. Take a screenshot of this or note it down. This is not present in the reading material. And once you are done, either taking a screenshot or noting it down, you can let me know in the chat. Yes, Fiona, you wanted to say something? Done. Thank you, Swarnim.
Ma'am, can you wait until I note it down?
Of course, I'm waiting.
Okay, ma'am.
Once you have completed it, Fiona and others, please write a done in the chat box.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. In the next class, we will learn when someone takes a right turn, which direction are they going? When someone takes a left turn, which direction are they going? Shadow kind of questions we will do. Okay, things like that. Yes, Kirtana, coming. 1 second. Say. Say, Kirtana.
Please, I want to show you something.
Say no. Oh, show you something. Show. Hold it a little high. That's a drawing of what, Kirtana?
Rabbit.
Oh, I can't see it fully. I can just see the eyes. Yeah, now I can. Now I can. Wow, nice, Kirtana. Did you note this down, Kirtana?
Yes, miss.
Very good. Okay, then it's done. Good. This is another drawing.
Yes, miss.
What's this?
This is a cat.
Bring it closer. Yes, I can see it now. Yes, yes, cat. Very beautiful. Very creative. Looks like a cartoon character, Kirtana. Nice. Ayush, done. Okay. Thank you, Kirtana. All right. Sachi, done. Meera, done. All right. Others, please write a done quickly if you have written. Always remember this. Your screen will be your north. The opposite of your screen is the south. Your right hand will be your east and your left hand will be your west. Shankar, done. Okay. Amoka, done. Aditya, done. All right. I'm waiting for a few dones like Arav, Aditya. Aditya, done, right? Arav, if you have completed, let me know. Jian completed, then let me know. Krishant, Neelakant, I'm waiting for your message also. Pratiksha. Pratiksha, you were not answering in the class and did not have a doubt also. Your video is also not turned on. Can you please unmute yourself and tell me why is your video not on? Vivan, have you completed? Shivain and Viona, I'm waiting for your messages. Jian, Arav, done. Shivain, done. Okay. Pratiksha, are you there in the meeting as well or just join and doing something else? I think Pratiksha has we need to check Pratiksha. Then I'll just note down her name and ask the Olympiad Success team to check it with their parents. All right, Viona, say.
Ma'am, what is screen spelling? I can't see it right.
Okay, it's SCREEN.
Okay, ma'am, thank you.
Okay. And others, do we have Vivan? You're not able to do means what? This is not a question, Vivan. You have to just note it down or take a screenshot. What happened?
Ma'am, That means I cannot take the screenshot.
So you are drawing it in the notebook?
No, I forgot about it to bring here.
Go and get that.
Okay, ma'am.
Go, quick. Leelakant has done it. All right. Fine. Okay. So meanwhile, guys, this was all we started up with the direction sense test. Please do not do the exercises of direction sense test today. Have a relaxing day today. Today was anyways the test discussion day. So what we'll do is we'll complete the direction sense test tomorrow, that is on Sunday, and then you can do the exercise and return back on next Saturday, and then we will be discussing the questions, okay, if you have any.